Last month, I had a great idea to organize a book swap in my neighborhood. I love reading, and I know many people in my area do too. The idea was for everyone to bring books they no longer needed and swap them for others. First, I talked to my friends and neighbors about the idea. They liked it and wanted to help. We made flyers and posted them around the neighborhood, in local shops, and on social media. The flyers said when and where the book swap would happen. We chose the community center for the event because it has a big room. We set up tables and signs for different types of books like fiction, non-fiction, and children's books. Everyone brought their books and placed them on the right tables. On the day of the book swap, many people came. It was exciting to see so many books and people interested in reading. I saw neighbors talking about books and recommending them to each other. It was a great way to share our love for reading and to meet new people. At the end of the day, almost all the books had found new homes. People were happy with the books they got. We decided to make the book swap a regular event in our neighborhood.
What was the purpose of the book swap? Where did the book swap take place? How did the people feel about the event?